Load and make ready. Draw, 2 to the body, 1 to the head, T1 only.
Yes, sir.
Shooter ready. Stand by. And holster. Shooters ready. Stand by. And holster. Shooters ready. Stand by. Top off for the next string. Holster.
2 to the head, 2 to the head, 2 to the head.
Correct.
Freestyle.
Okay.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Unload, show clear.
8.84.
Magazine first. Magazine first. Slide forward. Hammer down. Holster. Range is clear. Tapers and brasses. 1 6-round magazine. Load and make ready.
Okay.
Start position as we can. Safety off. 45 degrees. 1 1 1.
Okay.
Shooter ready. Relax the right hand.
Oh, sorry.
Stand by. Okay, safety on and holster.
462.
Face up range. Which way are you going to turn?
Turn this way.
You're going to turn, draw. 1 1 1, slide lock reload. 1 1 1, freestyle. Shooter ready. Stand by. Top off for the next string.
1172.
Okay, this one you're going to draw, strong hand only, 2 2 2.
2 2 2. To the okay.
Shooters ready. Stand by. Unload, show clear.
Okay, 749.
Slide forward, hammer down, holster. Range is clear. Tapers and brassers.
Joe, you know what you do?
I can imagine there's all kinds of things I do.
You shoot, move your feet, shoot, move your feet, shoot.
Uh-huh.
So if you leave your feet in one place, it's one less thing to move.
Okay. Oh, is it Joe? Matt?
Joe.
Yeah.
Joe. All right, Joe.
All right.
Very good. Okay, load and make ready. Okay, you'll be drawing and advancing, firing 2 2 2 before the 5-yard fault line.
Gotcha.
Okay. Shooter ready. Stand by. Okay. Go ahead and load for the next string. While retreating, you'll be firing 2 2 2.
Okay.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Okay, load for the next string.
In essence, 5 rounds, right?
5-round mag. Go ahead and put your safety on. Great. Okay, you're going to face up range.
Okay, we'll turn this way.
Yeah, you're going to turn, draw, and fire 2-2-2, slide lock, reload, 2-2-2. Okay, shooter ready. Stand by. Okay, load for the next string. The final string, load at least 6.
Okay.
You'll draw and fire 2-2-2, strong hand only.
All right.
Okay,
Strong hand only. Okay.
shooter ready. Stand by. Okay, unload and show clear. Slide down, hammer down, and holster. Nice job.
Thank you.
We're safe. 773. Tapers, brassers.
That's the problem now is we're at the. Okay, yep. Load and make ready.
Those chairs should go back.
Yeah, let's get all that green chair back too. Wait a minute. This
Yeah,
part of
that's
this is
incomplete.
missing.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's incomplete.
Okay, but you know what you're doing, right?
Yeah, well, it's 2-2-2 from this side, attack, reload, 2-2-2 from this side.
Right. You can start either way and finish either way, but 6 shots from each side.
Okay. Okay.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
As long as you don't go to slide lock. Slide lock reload. Well, yeah, so if you go, then you'll still have one in the pipe. So, yeah. As long as you don't go to slide lock, if you go to slide lock, then it'll be because the reload has to be like that's what I'm saying. Sometimes you get 7 in the gun. Yeah, no, I just do
3817.
Go ahead and reload. Oh, you needed that in
Oh,
there.
yeah,
Yeah.
this.
There you go.
Okay, now this one is 2-2-2 from either side, attack, reload, advance to the barrel.
2-2-2. Yep.
Okay.
Shooter ready. I'm sorry.
It's all right. Just make sure I got everything I need here. Okay, ready to go.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Okay, go ahead and reload.
3139.
This is draw, kneel, and 2-2-2.
Exactly. Shooter ready. Stand by. Unload ship here. Slide down. Hammer down.